Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to get an API key from Shopify. First, go to your Shopify account. Then on the bottom left corner, click on Settings. Now choose Apps and Sales Channels. Then click on Develop Apps. Now select Allow Custom App. Select it again. Then now create an app. Choose an app name. Then click Create App. Now go to API Credentials. And in here you can see your API key, which you just need to copy. And that's it. You now have an API key from your Shopify. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.